Well, look at here. Here's the new wheel mounted on the tire. Tire mounted on the wheel, the new 37 by 14.5 by 16. And the wheels had to be 16 by 10, so I had to get some other wheels. The 16 by 8s were not enough, so I had to have 16 by 10s. Put these big tires on, and as you can see, I've got the front lifted up to change the tire. Got the front lifted up. There's the tire that was on it. Well, it is on it. And look at the wheel sitting next to it. It's higher than the truck. Well, you know what I mean. You see the wheel jacked up, and the wheel is bigger right now than with the wheel with the truck front jacked up. See what I mean? Look at that. Look at the difference on those wheels and tires. More to follow when I put them on and compare. Well, the good news is that wheel and tire looks really good on this truck. Bad news is the lug nuts are too big, so you can't get a socket in there to tighten them. Not too many sockets are that small to clear that tight space, so I'm gonna have to order some smaller lug nuts, those little acorn ones that have a special key to them all. So more to follow. It looks like, well, so far so good. It looks good. The wheels and tires look good. Might have to do a little trimming on the fenders in the front, but all in all, what a wheel and tire combination. Really makes this truck look good. But I have to order new lug nuts, so, well, I'll do another video as soon as I got that done. Have a great day and mad boosting.